Hello, coming to the doubt clarification session. Which of the following is strongest reducing agent? Cr plus 2, Cr plus Fe plus 2, and why? So they asked to find the strongest reducing agent among chromium plus 2 and Fe plus 2. So first tell me, what do you mean by reducing agent? What is reducing agent? For example, A is a chemical species which will itself undergoes oxidation, and B is another substance. This A will causes the reduction for B, means B will undergoes reduction. So how we can define this reducing agent? It is a chemical substance which will undergoes oxidation itself and reduces the another substance. Those are called as a reducing agent. They have given two reducing agent, chromium plus 2 and Fe plus 2. Among these two, which one is the strongest reagent? So this strongest reagent concept can be explained based on the factors, three factors. So first I will write a first factor, that is a stable oxidation state. Stable oxidation state. So stable oxidation state of chromium will be plus 3 and plus 6. About Fe is plus 2 and plus 3. This is the one factor, and on second factor will be standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential of chromium will be minus 0.74 eV, and of Fe is minus 0.44 eV. This is the second factor, and the third factor is electronic configuration, EC. So when we write the electronic configuration for Cr plus 2, it will be D4 configuration, and for Fe plus 2 it will be D6. Okay, it will be D6 configuration. It will be having D6 configuration. So first coming to the stable oxidation state. As you can see, both species, that is chromium and iron, in the plus 2 state. So here the stable state for chromium will be plus 3. Means plus 2 is not stable, it's an unstable state. It can easily loses its one electron to get plus 3 oxidation state. About Fe, you can see here two oxidation state, plus 2 and plus 3. It is already in plus 2. Plus 2 is a stable state, so it won't like to lose its electron to convert into plus 3. It's like when your stomach is full, you can't eat anything. If gulab jamun or anything sweet is given to you, you can't eat them, right? So Fe is stable, it is comfort in plus 2 state, so it won't loses the electron to become plus 3. However, plus 3 is also stable, but whenever it is in the previously in the stable state, it won't like to lose their electron. But Cr, that is chromium, can easily donate, or it can easily loses its electron to become plus 3 stable oxidation state. This is the one factor. In stable oxidation state, our answer is plus 2, right? Then coming to the standard electrode potential. As I have written, you can see here Fe is below of the chromium. So this is nothing but it is a electrochemical series. In electrochemical series of metals, the metals which are having lowest electrode potential, they can easily undergo oxidation. So here chromium is above the iron, that's why chromium will be the strongest reducing agent. Means chromium plus 2 can easily undergoes oxidation, means it can easily reduces the another substance, that's why chromium. In the second point also, chromium got the right answer. Then coming to the electronic configuration, you can see here d orbitals, 5d orbitals. It is a chromium having 4 electrons, and yeah, about Fe, it is having 6 electrons like this. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pairing of electron. So when iron, when you consider the electronic configuration, you can easily say when iron loses one electron, it will get the completely half filled. Completely half-filled state. Completely half-filled is nothing but all the 5d orbitals having single electron. So that is the most stable electronic configuration. And coming to the chromium plus 2, it can loses one electron and it will have 3 electrons in its d orbital. But this is the stable. 5 means completely half-filled state of the d orbital will be the stable state, as you learned in the electronic configuration of copper, right? So where you will write directly d10 instead of that, and for chromium also we will write d5. That's why this electronic configuration is not a strong factor. It is not a strong factor to decide the reducing capacity of the metal. That's why the stable oxidation states and these standard electrode potentials will be the stronger factors to identify which will be the strongest reducing agent. That's why our answer is chromium plus 2 is the strongest reducing agent, and the reason for this plus 3 is the stable oxidation state of chromium. That's why it can easily loses one electron and it will comes to the plus 3 stable oxidation state. Iron, it is present in a stable oxidation state. It easily won't loses its electron to become plus 3 oxidation state. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.